you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you make adjustments to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can significantly improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, turn off VSync, and reduce the quality of shadows and textures. These adjustments can help increase FPS. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on the game in your library, go to Properties, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your game's performance. Enjoy your adventure in Baldur's Gate 3.